it was very important thing. And today I will show you. Till yesterday, right? I have showed you only recording with Firefox, right? Only I explain you how to record or how to set the certificate and how to record your script in Firefox only, right? So today what we will do is we will try to record application using Chrome or Edge, anything. Okay, so definitely we will always never use Firefox, right? We will also use Chrome, and we will also use Edge, or we will also use IE, right? Based on the application. Few clients specifically mentions like you need to record a script in only Chrome. Our application won't support in other browsers, right? So at that time, what you have to do is it should work for Chrome or IE or Edge as well, right? So how you have to record it using Chrome? I will show you. First, what you have to do is just you can open the Chrome browser, and you need to first thing what you have to check your JMeter certificate is installed in the Chrome browser or not. First priority thing you have to check it. So just click on these dots after opening this Chrome browser, and you need to just click on this settings. Okay, try it with me parallelly. You will get an idea, and search with certificate. Okay, once you got searched with this certificate, here you will see the security. Okay, just click on that security and scroll down. Okay, once you scroll down, here you will see manage device certificates option. Okay, just click on this manage device certificates. Once you click on this, here you will see different tabs like other people, intermediate certificates, trusted root certificate, all these things, right? Untrusted, trusted publishers, all these things. But out of these all tabs, for importing the JMeter certificate, we need to use trusted root certificate authorized authorities. Okay, just you need to click on this tab, and just you need to click on import. Okay, import and click on next. Sorry. So here you have to select the file. Where is that JMeter certificate location? Anyone can answer?
JMeter bin folder.
Yes,
JMeter bin
yeah,
folder.
correct, good. So you need to go to JMeter bin, and you can select this root certificate. I mean, CA root certificate. You can click on next. Okay, it defaultly store in this location. You can also check where it is saving. Okay, just it is saving on, see here, trusted root certificate authorities location in the C folder. Okay, directly it will creates this folder, and in that it will stores or installs. Okay, and just click on next. So here the root certificate is adding by the user, and you need to click on finish. And once you click on finish, you will get this pop-up. Okay, so jmeter root ca for recording, install only if it is yes. If you click on yes, then only that root certificate was installed successfully or imported successfully. Okay, just you need to click on OK. Once you click on OK, here you will see this root certificate was added. Okay, if you want to view, just you can click on view. You can see here it was valid from how many days, like 18/11/2022 to 25/11/2022. Again, I'm telling you, like whenever you install this CS certificate, it is valid only how many days?
7 days.
7 days defaultly. So we have already updated in that
365.
validity. Yeah, in that jmeter.properties file to 365 days. Okay, so just you need to check like this, and you need to click on close. This is how you need to check the, I mean, you need to add or import the certificate in Chrome browser as well. You will get one doubt, madam, we have already installed in Firefox, right? We need to install the certificate again in Chrome. Yes, we need to install again in Chrome. If you have not added this certificate, only HTTP request you are able to record it using Chrome. If you have not added this certificate through the Chrome, You cannot install or you cannot record HTTPS requests in using JMeter. Clear, right? Till here. And once you install this CS certificate into the Chrome browser, you need to set up the proxy settings before recording any script, even it is a Firefox or even it is a Chrome or even it is a Edge or IE, any browser. You need to set do the proxy settings before the script recording. That should be mandatory, whatever the browser it is. Okay, that is the another important thing. And before recording script, any browser you can use, before recording a script, you need to remove caches and cookies. How you need to remove, I will tell you the shortcut. Okay, just control shift delete. Just you can click control shift delete from your keyboard. You can also write it somewhere, and you can also remember this particular shortcut key, control shift delete. It will opens the clear browser data. Or another way to open is just go to settings. Okay, here you can, okay, just you can type clear. Here you can see the clear browser data, the window will open. So this is also one way. Other way is just click on control shift delete. Okay, and it will shows you two tabs, basic and advanced. So in basic you cannot select last hour, you need to select all the time. Okay, you need to select all the time, caches cookies you should remove. In advanced also you should select all the time. Okay, so the caches cookie should be deleted before recording your script in any browser, not only the Chrome, not only the Firefox. You can use any browser, you need to do it before recording script. This is a another important point I would like to include. And the third point was, my suggestion was better don't you open your browser directly, like I will tell you. Just I am clicking on this browser like this, right? Okay, it's taking little more time to open. Yes. Yeah. So I have clicked on this, right? Don't click, don't open it directly. My suggestion was just click on these dots, try to open it on incognito window. Okay. So why we need to use incognito window? Anyone have an idea? What is the purpose of incognito?
No history or no cookies will stores.
Correct. And another thing was private browser also we can call it as, right? So this is one thing I would like to include. And now we can see how to record the script using Chrome browser. Okay, so you need to go to the settings. Here you can search with proxy. Okay, it will show you, open your computer proxy settings, just click on this. Okay, here automatically detect settings was on, but what you have to do here, you need to disable this. You need to
Eh,
enable use proxy server. Yes, someone is asking any question. Okay, so here you need to give it like localhost. Okay, and the port is 8080. Okay, just you need to click on save. So this is how you need to give a proxy setting server using Chrome. And close the browser, close that pop-up. And let's start recording any one application. So I am taking Blaze demo. Okay, and before going to recording, I would like to include another point. I will show you now itself. I will remove this proxy and I will show you. Yeah. I will show you one thing. Okay. You can observe the difference. This is blazedemo.com, right? Okay. Here you are able to see in this log symbol, right? You can observe here. It was HTTPS request. Means I am sending HTTPS protocol. So if it is an HTTPS protocol, the browser will be secured. Okay. The connection is in secure. Okay. Here you can check the connection is secure connection. And if you use HTTP, I will tell you the another browser called, see here. It was an another demo site. See here. It was HTTP, right? That's the reason it's showing not secure. Your connection to this site is not secure. So this is how you need to observe, like this is a secure site or not secure site. Clear, right? Okay. So what I will do is I'm giving a proxy settings. I'm starting recording script using Chrome browser. Can anyone interested to record the script? I will give you a chance. Yeah. So this is how you need to enable the proxy, and the recording process will be same, not much difference between Chrome or Firefox or any browser. So just I would like to record using Blaze demo. Who is ready to record? I'm opening a jmeter.bat.
Vidya,
Yes, Devi.
it's me Swati.
Yeah,
ఒక
Swati.
చిన్న డౌట్. ఇది
Yes. Huh.
మీరు ఇంపోర్ట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ చేశారు కదా, సర్టిఫికేట్
Yes.
ఇంపోర్ట్ చేశారు కదా,
Yes.
అది చేస్తేనే హెచ్టిటిపి వాచ్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది క్రోమ్ లో అన్నారు కదా.
HTTP watch కాదు. Not
అదే
HTTP watch. I'm
అదే
telling you HTTPS URLs or HTTPS applications.
యా, అంటే ఇప్పుడు అది మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు 7 days వ్యాలిడిటీ చూపించింది కదా
Yes.
బై డిఫాల్ట్.
Yes.
అంటే ఎవ్రీ 7 days కి వీ నీడ్ టు ఇంపోర్ట్ ఇన్ దట్ క్రోమా, ఆర్ 365 days కి ప్రాపర్టీస్ లో మనం సెట్టింగ్స్ చేసి తర్వాత ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయొచ్చా?
No, 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 no. You need to import it every 7 days. It won't record your script actually.
ఓకే.
Yeah, yeah. That is good point, Swati, you raised. So you need to, if you have imported today, right? It will shows,
యా.
it will works only 7 days. But once you changed here, or once you start recording script here, it may change. I will let's see now. I will try to add the certificate and I will try to record it using Chrome. Okay, we'll see. Is there any certificate validity will change? Okay, I have
ఓకే.
also not tried, but I think it we need to add it every 7 days. So
ఓకే.
because we have increased that validity in JMeter, that certificate validity we have increased in JMeter, but we have not increased in Chrome or Firefox, right?
యా.
Yeah, yeah. That's the reason I'm telling. So just I'm trying to show you. I'm adding a recording controller here. We'll see now. Okay.
ఓకే.
And after this, I'm adding listeners, view results tree, and I'm adding non-test elements, test script recorder. Any doubts in test script recorder? Anyone tried this? This was very important thing actually.
ఇప్పుడు వేరే సైట్స్ లో అండి హెచ్టిటిపిఎస్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రోటోకాల్ కాకుండా వేరే ప్రోటోకాల్ ఉంటే మనం ఇదే తీసుకోవాలా?
Protocol ante, I mean like web
ప్రోటోటైప్, సారీ
services. చెప్పండి చెప్పండి.
హెచ్టిటిపిఎస్ కాకుండా మనకి అర్జెంట్ కానీ అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి
Okay, in JMeter, true client is a different part.
Okay.
Okay, so in
Okay.
JMeter, any type of protocol, you have to follow the same thing. Any protocol, you can directly record it from here. Apart from uh, apart from LDAP protocol or another protocol is also there.
Mm.
I
Okay.
forgot that name. So apart from LDAP protocol or other protocol, you have to follow the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah. And what we have to change here, the port I have given was 8080 in Chrome, right? So I have given the same here, and I'm using this recording controller. Here what I have to select? Put each group in transaction controller, right? For easy purpose. And here I'm not giving any transaction controller names. So another thing I would like to include, for example, I'm recording my script, right? I'm recording my script. So I need to save all the responses while recording itself. I want to save my responses. How to save? I will tell you. Okay. So all the responses will be saved in bin folder defaultly. I will tell you where is the bin folder. Bin folder, as you all know, that where you have installed in the JMeter. Okay. For example, here I am giving you like recording blaze meter. Every recording response, okay, you have to add this view results tree in the test script recorder only. Okay. So if you want to save your response, if you want to save your response in some location, the format will be always in XML. Okay, XML format. And second thing is, you need to add view results tree in the test script recorder itself. That is the another important thing. And I'm giving you this test plan name as a Chrome browser recording. Okay. Why I'm giving this? Because I'm telling you this thing, right? I'm explaining you about this Chrome browser recording. That's the reason, for remembering purpose, I'm giving this name. I'm storing all the JMeter scripts in one location. It should be always the best practice. You need to create one folder name and you can save all the scripts in that location. That is a good practice. Okay. I'm starting recording. Okay. So let's start. Yeah, here you can see 365 validity, right? We'll see in Chrome it will work it out or not. I'm opening the Chrome. Okay. So, and I'm starting the script recording. So first where I have to record it, I'm using this Ultra Mutual site. It's loading. Yeah, you can check here. You got recorded or not? Okay, this got recorded, right? You can ignore this one. So this got recorded or not? Got recorded, right? Yes or no? My application name was like testify.net. Okay, this is also another application. I'm giving this name home page. Okay, and again I'm going to this. I'm selecting small business. Okay, so this is the second recorder I came. You can see it here. And here all the unnecessary things also recording, right? Yes or no? Why all these unnecessary things also recording? In yesterday class I have explained you.
By default it will, right?
By
We didn't
default it
choose
will comes.
external
We need
exclude
to filter.
controller.
Yeah,
Exclude filter.
correct. Good. So what is this? It is a small
Small
business.
business.
Yeah. And next what I'm trying to recording is just I would like to de deposit products. Okay. You can check. So we have these many we got. You can check it is our related or not. No, right? So no name. I'm not giving any name for this. This is also not my request related. Okay. In this, I'm having testifier.net, right? That's the reason I'm giving this controller name as what is this? Deposit products.
products.
Okay. And I'm stopping my recording. So this is how you need to record your script using Chrome browser. Clear or any doubts? Okay. And you can check here. You got all the response or not? You got all the response, right? Okay. So you can check this. It was saved or not. You will also get doubt, right? Madam here, she entered this name, but it was saved or not. You will also get doubt. Just go to bin and you can check what name we have given. Recording blaze meter, right? It should save where it was defaultly saved. Yeah, see here. It got defaultly saved in where is this location? In users Aradhya's folder, it was recorded. Let me show you where is that folder. Go to C users Aradhya. See here. Okay. In this, in future, for example, in future my I have recorded my script. I want to see the response of my recorded script. You have closed the JMeter. Okay, today you have recorded. You want to um, change the script tomorrow. So if you close this also, no problem. Why? You have already saved that response here, right? I will tell you. Just I am closing. Okay, you can think I'm opening tomorrow. Okay, so how to get that output results? Yeah, so I would like to open my script, Chrome browser recording script. Okay, so I have opened my script. Okay, so I would like to see my output. Here you are able to seeing the output? No, right? So I want to see my output. What you have to do? Just you can go and select this and click on open. So you can see your response like this. Why we need to save the response in coming classes, I will tell. What is the purpose of saving the response here? Why we have to save this response here? Any doubt still here? Or another thing I would like to tell you before recording itself, instead of this default location, you can give your path where you want to save. For example, I want to save. I'm saving all my scripts in one location. I told you, right? For example, in future, I want to save my recordings in this location. So before recording itself, you need to go to this path and you can give the name Chrome recording response like this .xml. In future, it will save that particular response in this location. Okay, you need to give this path before your recording starts. That is very, very important. First thing was you need to give the path where you want to save before start recording itself. And the second thing was you need to add view results tree in the test script recorder. Then only your recorded script's response will be saved. Any doubts before going to next step? Okay, I will tell you this HTTP authorization manager, what is the purpose, all those things later. I will tell you. We'll see in next classes or something. So next thing I would like to explain you was I'm removing this proxy. Yeah. I'm removing this proxy, and I will tell you how to add the certificate in Edge or IE. Both are almost similar, right? Not much difference you have. Almost it should be similar. Yeah. Just to click on this and go to settings. Okay. Try to search certificates here. In the left side pane you can see manage certificate option here. Just you can click on this and again go to this trusted root authorizations. Here I have already added. Okay, so what I am doing is I'm removing and I'm adding again. Okay, I would like to add again. So import, click on next. The same way how we are added in this Chrome browser, the same way you need to add it here as well. And I have installed my JMeter location here, and I'm going to bin path and I'm selecting this Apache temporary CA. I'm clicking on open. Okay, here it's defaultly saving. Clicking on next, finish, and I'm clicking on again next. Okay, so if you want to view this JMeter certificate, just you need to click on view. So again it will shows you 7 days. Okay, so next, how to set the path? Anyone can help the same way, right? However, we have done in Chrome, the same way we have to do the proxy settings. Settings, everyone can speak up, right? So that I will also get. Just click search with proxy. Next, what we have to do? Click on
Manual
this. Yeah, click on this. Here I have enabled, right? So I need to enable
proxy
this
server
proxy. So defaultly the proxy will be
808.
8080. So defaultly it was 8080. Sometimes if you give 8080 and if you start recording script, it will shows error like the proxy is already in use. If you get such type of error, don't no need to worry. Okay, just here come to here and you can change the port number like 8888 or 9191, anyone 4 digits, any random number you can give it and try to record it. That issue will resolve. Okay, so here I am giving the host, local host and port number, and I'm clearing all my control shift delete is used to clear all my caches and cookies for all the time. Okay, all the time. What happens? All the time. What happens? It's not coming. Yeah, all the time I'm clearing caches and cookies. Once I cleared caches, I'm closing the browser. Now I will show you uh, the different application. Performance testing practice.com is also another application like. So I will show you. I'm opening the JMeter. There is not much difference between Chrome, Edge, okay, and IE. These three are almost similar, not much difference. But the Firefox, we have one difference. I will tell you what is that difference. Okay, next what you have to do? You need to add the thread group. In this thread group, what you have to add? Logic controller and recording controller, right? This was important. And you need to add non-test elements, test script recorder in the test plan. Here you need to add the view
listener.
results tree. Yes. So in this view results tree, now you can give the path. What I will do is I will give the path here in E, not the E. G, I'm saving all my scripts in one place, right? So I'm opening that location and here I'm giving the name like edge script. Okay. No, no, no. Okay. So okay, I'm giving till this path edge dot xml. I think that was not exist. That's the reason it telling like this. And I'm saving my script name also same. Edge script. Okay. So I'm started recording. What you have to do here, I'm giving the port name, right? And you need to use the recording controller, and here you need to use the transaction controller. And I'm starting script recording. Okay. Once I click on start, it's loading. Yeah. So once I click on OK, my recording got started. Here what you have to do, I have opened the edge, right? So you need to check new in private window. Okay. I told you, right? You need to clear the caches cookies is first step. Second step, you need to open it on private mode. And I am trying to enter into that application. It's loading still. Because I have cleared all the cache cookie, right? Maybe that's the reason. So before recording script, what you have to do is you need to close all the other browsers also. Don't worry if you get like this, just you need to click on advanced and you can click on continue. Okay. So this site was opened. So you can check here. You got all the requests or not. You can check here. Okay. This is performance testing practice.com only, right? And this was also your request. Okay. And this was also your request or not. No. Okay. So we will I will tell you how to exclude include those things. And next, once it got loaded, just I'm clicking on scenario. Definitely the Edge browser was little slow compared to other browsers recording. So best way to use uh, Chrome or Firefox is the best way to use in real time application. Sorry, in between it got disconnected. Okay. So it's still loading. So this is how we need to record the script. Okay. So it was open right now. So I'm stopping till here. So this is how you can get all the requests or all the things like this, and you can see all the responses you got it like this. One chat message. Your voice is breaking. Okay. Now also my voice is breaking. Everyone is able to audible.
Now it is fine.
Okay. Okay then. Okay. So why this is why all these things are in red mark, like these are not our request, right? Loginlive.com, all these are not our request, right? Static teams is also not our request. So whatever
Now it's breaking within.
okay. Okay.
And your voice is
Your voice is also breaking, I guess. I'm checking my internet connection. Yeah. I think now it will clear.
Everything is related to your system resources.
Maybe.
Hmm.
Now it's clear, right? I think.
Not yet. Same thing. You should
Say-
close some application. Last time
Okay.
also happened the same thing. I guess.
Okay, okay. I have closed all the browsers then. Yeah. Almost I have closed all the browsers.
No, it's good.
Yeah, okay, okay. So, for a few requests, we got like red errors. Whoever not that important or who are not related to our request, those things we got in a red errors like this. Okay, you can take like PNGs or something. Okay. Um, this is how we need to save the recording response, and this is how you need to record it using Edge, Chrome. Okay, and I will tell you the difference between Firefox and Chrome. Okay, let me open the browser Firefox and just go to settings in the Firefox. Okay, I'm searching with certificates. Okay, here you can click on view certificates. You can remember one thing in Chrome, if you search with certificates, here it will display. In between, again network got disconnected. So if you open this Firefox, okay, if you try to search with certificate, here you can see directly certificates, view certificates option. But in Chrome you will see that manage certificates. Okay, that is the one difference. And second difference was here in Chrome, let me open the Chrome as well so that you will easily understand. Yeah, so for example, I'm opening the Chrome certificates. Yeah, you can see here. You,
Yes, Shiva.
Yeah, yeah.
so,
Vidya got disconnected.
Yes, she'll be back. She's facing some
yeah,
network
yeah,
issues.
yeah, I'm
Okay.
facing some network issues. Sorry for this. So
Oh,
here, if I, yeah, here if I search with certificates, okay, here if I search with certificate in Chrome, uh, just a second, I will search again. Yeah, if I search with certificate, you need to click on security here. But in Firefox, if you search with certificates, you can directly click on view certificate. That is one difference. And the second difference was here you need to click on manage certificates, like manage device certificates. In Firefox, you can click on certificate manager. That is the second difference. And the third difference is you need to install the JMeter certificate in authorities. Okay, you need to install the JMeter certificate in authorities, but in Chrome you need to add it on trusted root certificates. You need to remember this. Okay, in interior we'll ask you this question. In Chrome also you are able to record the JMeter scripts. Yes, we can able to record, but we need to add the certificate in trusted root. Okay, in Firefox you need to add it on authorities. That is another again it. Yeah. So this is another difference. And if you can view the certificate in this Firefox, you can see it here. How many days it's showing? 7 days, right? So if you extended that validity for 365 days, so after 7 days, you need to directly import the certificate. Okay, that is the another thing. And the final thing was, I will delete it and I will show you. I will delete it and I will import it again to explaining. Okay. So I'm going to this route. I'm adding this certificate. So once you click on that certificate adding, here you will see two options. Okay. One is trust this CA to identify websites. Okay. If you check this box and if you would like to use email users, like here in this browser I'm trying to log in with some Vidya something like that, right? So for those email login users also it should support, right? That's the reason you need to check these two boxes. So trust this CA identify for websites. So this option will be available for Firefox, that will be not available for Chrome and Edge or IE. That is the another important thing. So whatever the applications while you are recording using Chrome or Edge, that will supports in this Firefox. That is the another last important thing. Clear or any doubt still here? Can I move to the next step? And I'm moving to the next step. So I will explain you how to include only our application. Yes, am I audible?
Vidya, actually, it got stuck and we are not clear actually what happened before.
Yeah. Whenever I'm disconnecting, at the time I'm not at all talking.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to explain now is, I would like to explain how to include or exclude the filterings. Okay, I will show you the difference. Hmm. So I would like to record the script using Firefox settings. I'm giving a proxy settings. So proxy settings as a localhost 8080. I'm also assigning for HTTPS. So I'm taking one HTTPS browser, whatever it may be. I'm taking testifier. Okay. And I'm giving the same port here. That is the one important thing. So while I'm recording, I don't want to record unnecessary URLs. Okay. I don't want to record unnecessary URLs. So just I'm adding some suggestible, all the suggestible things. Apart from this, if you want to add like other elements like googleapi.com or other things, so those things also you can exclude. I will tell you how to exclude. Okay. So we need to follow this particular format for including or excluding. Okay. So I will explain you what is the difference between this. Okay. First, if you want to include any URL or if you want to exclude any pattern or some other URL, so you need to start with question mark and I. Okay, what is the purpose of question mark I means? So we need to ignore the case sensitivity, like it was a capital letters or small letters. For example, I would like to add um, question mark I would like to exclude. Okay. What I would like to exclude case sensitivity. I mean, it was capital letters or small letters for the particular application. What is my application? Like I'm excluding, right? So Google API.com. I don't want to record Google API.com. So I'm excluding this. Wherever dot is there, you need to escape the dots. Why? Because JMeter consider dot as a regular expression. That's the reason I'm escaping using backslash. Okay. Till this Google API.com, I mean, wherever Google API will unnecessarily recording, that will skips. And you can also include other things as well, like yahoo.com or some other windowsupdate.com, whatever it may be. Okay, toolbar queries or Google, any other unnecessary things. Okay, you need to exclude it completely. Okay, why I am giving dot star? Why I am giving dot star? The purpose of dot star means after this Google API.com, whatever the URL will comes, I mean, whatever the path will comes, those things also you don't want to record. That's the reason I am including dot star. Any doubts here? Okay, I am excluding. I'm giving a proper naming. Okay, excluding unnecessary URLs or unnecessary stuff. Okay, I would like to start my recording. And again, I'm adding a listener as a view results tree. This view results tree where I would save, in this location, right? Yeah, .xml. Yeah. So in this path, I would like to save my excluding URLs, unnecessary things. Okay, let's start my script recording. So these GIFs or ICOs or JPGs or PNGs or whatever the formats we would like to exclude, all the things I have added here, and I'm starting recording. Okay, I'm going to Firefox and I am trying to, sorry, I'm copying this again URL. Yes, it's loading little bit, or I will take another site then. It's little bit slow, I think, so I will take blazedemo.com. Maybe it was little fast. For recording purpose, I'm randomly changing, but while recording, you cannot change like this. You need to go it in proper way. Why it's taking longer time? Maybe my network slowness. Okay, I'm closing this and I'm trying to. Let me check. I have added proxy or not. Everyone remember? I made a proxy settings. Yeah, I made it. Yes. Okay. So you can see here unnecessary things like I have not excluded Mozilla.com, right? That's why it came. But apart from that, Mozilla.org also I have not excluded. You can see blazedemo.com we came. We are not get any like PNGs, WFFs, all these things. Did you observe? Let me try to click on another. Find flight. You can see when I clicked on find flight, see. So direct to Blaze demo, this one is came, and Blaze demo meter is came. There is no other WOF requests are recorded. See it here. All our application related requests only we got. Okay, we do not got other different type of requests. Okay, and another thing, this request also not needed, even though if it is a Blaze meter one, but this request is not required. Okay, you can also comment this. Why we need to comment this? It was something like prodperfect.com, something like it's a not needed a mandatory request. Okay, you can see this. If you will add this particular .com in excluding option, how to add? Anyone can tell? Question mark I, and then before this whatever it may be, dot star means whatever it may be. Okay, and I'm adding this .com, and after this also whatever the text it may be. Okay, for this dot you need to give a backslash. If you add this, what will happen? This type of request is also not records at all. Clear? Any doubts?
Yeah, how you identified that unusual request is not like necessary?
Clearly it's showing, right? blazemeter.com is our request and remaining was not our request. See here,
Data pipe.
yeah, so blazemeter dot datapipe dot prodperfect.com is there. This is not ours, right? Our request was only blazedemo.com. That's it. Simple thing. You need to
ఓకే.
add.
విద్య ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ చేసేసాము, ఇవన్నీ యూఆర్ఎల్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఇందులో
Hmm.
స్టిల్ మనకి అన్నెసెసరీ యూఆర్ఎల్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
Yes, ఉంటాయి.
సో
We need to comment it. Definitely
అందులో
it will be
నుంచి
there.
మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ చేసే ఇప్పటికిప్పుడు ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ చేయగలమా, లేకుంటే మళ్ళీ రికార్డింగ్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ కి
No
వెళ్ళాలా?
need, no need,
ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ ఆప్షన్.
no need, no need. You can also do it here now. Just you can select all the things and just Control T. Control T is a shortcut key for disable without recording again, or you can also select this and delete it. Best practice was don't use delete, just you can comment it, I mean you can toggle it, control T. That is a yeah.
ఓకే. అంతే కానీ ఎక్స్‌క్లూడ్ ఆప్షన్ మళ్ళీ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ మనం ఇలా
No
యూజ్
need, no need,
చేయలేము.
no need, no need. Okay, because even
ఓకే.
if you exclude also different URL will comes, right? Even
యెస్.
now you will exclude mozilla.org. Okay,
హ్మ్.
next time this mozilla.org will not comes, but different thing will comes definitely.
ఓకే.
That's the reason. Another thing I would like to tell you is before script recording you can close all the browsers, all the other browsers. Okay, even in the Chrome or Edge or all the other things you can close. You can clear cache cookie. And another best solution I will tell you. I will add another thread
ఇఫ్ వి
group.
డూ దట్ వే అది అన్నెసెసరీ యూఆర్ఎల్స్ కౌంట్
Yeah,
తగ్గొచ్చు కదా?
yes, it might
ఓకే.
be not 100%, at least 70-80% it will, because this was small application, we will see less unnecessary URLs. If you will
హ్మ్.
record the real time applications, definitely it will be larger than expected, right? So
యెస్.
yeah, even if the 70% or 50% count will reduces, that will help you lot,
ఓకే.
help you reducing the confusion, first point. So here I'm adding recording controller. This was I will tell you for exclude, right? I will tell you another simple tip. So use include instead of exclude. You can use both at a time also. Okay.
ఓకే.
So what I will do is here I'm selecting another include recording controller. Here I'm trying to recording using transaction controllers. Okay. So here I have excluded all these things. Even I would like to add question mark I. What we got? Dot star
మొజిల్లా
dot net, right?
యాహ్!
And dot star. This is also you can include, and instead of dot, I'm escaping this. Okay, so I have excluded these things, and I would like to add question
ప్లేస్
mark
మీటర్ ఓన్లీ.
I. Yeah, whatever it may be, whatever the application URL you would like to record. I am copying it from here, just blazedemo.com.
యాహ్!
Before that, whatever it may be, it should come, and after that, whatever it may be, it should come, right? So dot star. Okay,
హ్మ్.
yeah. So this is how you need to add. So then at least you will get almost 80 to 90% URL will decreased. Why? Because you are including this and you are excluding others.
యాహ్! ఆప్టింగ్ బోత్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఎట్ ఎ టైమ్ మే
Huh.
హెల్ప్ ఎ లాట్.
Yes, definitely. So let me start recording. Okay. So I'm starting recording, and I'm copying this whole URL, and this recording also we are having lot many consultations. Advanced scripting topic, I will cover all the things. So you can see here. So this is our main request. See here, almost 90% of the request was reduced coming, right?
యెస్.
So I'm clicking on find flights. You can see here another request came. This is only blazedemo.com related, correct? So if I'm choosing this flight, okay, you can see almost 90 to 100%.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
విద్య ఇంకొక డౌట్. ఇప్పుడు బోత్ ఆప్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల మనకి 90% ఆఫ్
Yeah, 90 to
యూ
100% I can say.
యాహ్! అలా అని ఇంక్లూడ్ ఆప్షన్‌లో మనము ఏ
Huh.
అప్లికేషన్ అయితే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో దాన్ని
Include.
పెట్టామనుకో, ఇప్పుడు బ్లేస్డెమో యూజ్ చేసాము. బ్లేస్డెమో
Yes.
ఆప్షన్ పెట్టి వి ఆర్
Record.
ట్రైయింగ్.
Yes.
అలా అని రిక్వైర్డ్ యూఆర్ఎల్స్ అయితే మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ యూఆర్ఎల్స్ అయితే మిస్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కదా?
No, because always our application related URLs will includes, and other URLs from your application while you are trying to recording also includes. Not a problem. We are
Okay.
not excluding,
బట్
right?
ఇన్ ఈచ్ యూఆర్ఎల్ డెఫినెట్ గా మనం యూజ్ చేసే యాప్ అయితే ఉంటుంది, అది
ఉంటుంది.
బ్లేజ్
Yes.
డెమో అనేది.
Because the
Okay.
server name should be always constant. It will never changes in
Okay.
whole application recording. Even if the third party URL, if you have using, that will also records, because we don't know that third party URL and we are not excluding, right? We
Yeah.
don't know and we are not excluding. So it should
Okay.
record.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it will not records, you need to include it and you need to record it again.
Okay.
So you can see like this, almost 90 to 100% of the unnecessary URLs will stopping. This is the another important point. This will ask you in the interview questions. That's the reason I'm explaining. I'm taking separate class for this browser adding certificates and proxy settings, and this including and excluding the unnecessary data.
ఓకే. ఇంకొక డౌట్ విద్యా సర్టిఫికేట్స్ దగ్గర మనం ఇప్పుడు
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు రిమూవ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసావు.
Yes. Yes.
అలా చేసినా ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ది చూసినా వ్యాలిడిటీ 18-25 ఉంది. అంటే రేపటి
Correct.
లాస్ట్ డేట్. అంటే
Correct.
వ్యాలిడిటీ
7 days.
కంప్లీట్ గా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నువ్వు మళ్ళీ ఇంపోర్ట్
Yes, we
చేస్తే
need to include it. It will change.
ఫాలోయింగ్ 7
Yes.
డేస్ వస్తుంది.
Correct.
ఓకే.
Correct.
సో కంప్లీట్ 7 డేస్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యాకే మనం
We
ఇంపోర్ట్
need to
చేస్తే ఆ
import it.
వ్యాలిడిటీ
Yes, then
పెరుగుతుంది.
only the validity will increase. Correct.
ఓకే.
Yeah. Any others?
Okay.
Any?
Can you repeat again? 7 days validity will increase
I will show you here.
No. I just want to know that if you have to remove and again we have to add it.
For example,
87 days.
Gangadhar, for
Well-
example, our certificate validity, I will show you in real time. That's the reason I'm opening. Okay, for example, okay, so I have added certificate on some like 24th of the something. Okay, I have added at that particular 7 days before I have added. Today, I mean Friday of the 24th November, it was increased. Why it increased? What's your name? I think Swati or someone is asked, right? So first time you have added the certificate, right, Swati?
Yes.
Yeah, first time
It is showing validity of 365 days.
365 days. Yeah, that's the reason I'm saying whenever you are trying to add the certificate for first time, okay, it will show you only 7 days. Why? Because it's
Okay,
don't
okay.
know, right? Once you record the script, then only it will knows that the certificate validity was changed. That's the
Okay.
point. Yeah, I would like to include. So here, first time I have recorded the script, it's showing only 7 days, right? So once first time if I recorded the scripts, then it get to know that it was increased to 365 days.
అంటే అక్కడ మనము సెట్టింగ్స్ చేసినట్టున్నాం కదా 365 డేస్
Yes,
అని ఇక్కడ.
yes. In
Because
JMeter
of that.
because of that.
Okay.
Because of that, on day before yesterday, I guess I have explained about this validity, right? In bin folder, you need to go to jmeter.properties file. You need to right click on this and need to edit this. Okay, if you search with the validity, before it got commented, so after changing from 7 days to 365 days, I have removed the comment. Okay, that's the reason the validity got increased. Okay,
Okay.
and another important point I would like to include here. Okay, defaultly your memory setting, I mean heap memory setting for this JMeter was showing 1 GB. Okay, so if your laptop is having, I mean fast memory or fast GB, you can just try to increase the memory to 2 GB, so that the JMeter will never stuck while recording. It will be more faster than expected. So how to change that memory or heap thing, that is also one of the important interview question I would like to include. You need to just select this JMeter windows.batch file, right click on this, click on edit with notepad plus plus. Okay, here from top you can slowly come down. Okay, if you can slowly come down, here you can see the Java heap settings. See here, heap. Here it was defined, right? It was defaultly 1 GB. Okay, you need to change it to 2 GB. Okay, if you are trying to executing any load test like 500 users or 200 300 users or even 100 or 50 users with GUI mode, the heap memory will occupies more using GUI mode, right? So definitely you need to increase the heap like this. Or whenever you are trying to executing your tests, okay, whenever you are trying to executing your load test, at the time you will see the error in this. uh, Here you can see it directly while running your test executions itself. Here you will get the see the errors like heap memory, out of memory error. So you are unable to
Okay.
run the test execution. So based on your memory capacity or RAM capacity, you can increase this GBs, heap memories. Okay, this is the another very important interview question.
Okay.
Not only the interview question, while before you are running your test execution, if you are running with 5000 or 10,000 users, definitely if you use more slave missions also, the memory or heap will occupies more. So to avoid that, you can increase this heap size based on your RAM, based on your RAM. Okay, and this
Okay.
was very important. Then your test was results was efficient, and JMeter will runs fast. And
Okay.
definitely whatever the changes you are making in background like in jmeter.properties or jmeter.windows batch file, you need to restart the jmeter. It should be mandatory. If you will not restart the jmeter, then the changes will never reflect here.
Okay.
Yeah, so till here everyone is clear, right? From tomorrow I will start explaining the scripting elements. Okay, so and another important topic I would like to cover tomorrow is prerequisites or terminologies of the JMeters and what are the main recommendations to record the best scripting. Okay, so what are the things we need to include and what are the things we have to record it, all the things I will cover it in tomorrow class. This is very important class. So based on this recommendation, we will start recording our script. Okay, you need to follow, you need to keep this document side by side before recording. You need to keep it in your notepad. Okay, you need to follow these steps one by one and you can start your script recording. This is important topic. Tomorrow we will start actual scripting. I thought to start it today, but I forgot to cover this Chrome thing and Edge. That's the reason today I have taken that class, and I have taken the class for including and excluding the filters as well. Before
Hello, Vidya.
going, yes, Gangadhar, tell me.
Sorry, I didn't got the time to speak that. Actually, the
No problem.
certificate validity thing which you have said, no?
Yes,
You are saying that it will just show you 7 days of validity.
yes.
But after
Defaultly, it will
recording,
shows. Yeah,
it will, but it will change there or not? There is my question. It will
it will
change to
change.
365 days, or it will just show
No,
7 days only.
no. I think I showed you
Can
as
you
well.
show us?
Yeah, see here. Go to
Mhm.
Go to settings, search with the certificate, view certificate, and here you can see it view. Okay, here you can see it got changed to 365 days. Okay, so why we need to record first time means we have changed that values in jmeter.properties file, right? So the
Correct, but yes,
jmeter.property file
in
was
my
different and the certificate we have added in this Chrome and Firefox was different. There is no interaction, right? When you start hitting recording, at that time that certificate internally itself, it will change to 365 days.
correct, Vidya. I can understand what you are saying.
Huh?
But what I'm trying to say is when we were recording,
Huh?
like through Firefox only before this batch,
Hmm?
so the certificate validity is not got changed in my browser. It was saying the same for
No,
7
it will
days.
change, right? It will change.
That is what I'm
Here
telling you.
itself. Huh?
My browser got not changed that validity, but still we are recording the we are recording with that
In
same
your
certificate only.
in your browser, it was not changed. You are asking?
Not asking, I'm telling you, it was
telling,
not changed.
it
Yeah,
was not changed.
it was
Okay,
not changed.
okay, just try to clear your caches, cookies, and restart your browser and JMeter. It will happen.
No, no issue. But if that's not mandatory that we have to check the validity for the certificate once we like import it. No, after
When
importing
you
for
try
to the
to
browser.
when you try to click on start recording, there it will display pop-up
Yeah, it will
365
show in
days.
the JMeter. No, in the JMeter, not in the browser section. We have like we are not going inside to the
It will
browser and
shows.
seeing
Just
the
you can
validity.
try. No need. It will shows. You can just now I have tried to remove all my caches cookies from the browser, right? That's
For
the
the
reason.
edge
For
browser, I
me
saw, because I
also,
didn't saw with this. Right.
yeah, for me also before it got not reflected. That's
Yes,
the
yes, that
reason
is what now.
Swati. Yeah, that's the reason Swati is also asked this thing.
Yes, yes, because we are not
Before,
checking validity here in the browser section. We are just checking validity in the JMeter section only. Whenever
yes,
we are starting, we are
if it
playing
shows
the
in
press record option
JMeter,
over there.
yeah, if it changes in JMeter, it will shows in browser itself. It should reflect. Just you need to try to remove caches, cookies, and restart your browser. It will shows. No need to
Okay. So
worry about.
second question is like which
Hmm.
browser you are using at the real time. Like you
In
showed
real
us Chrome.
time, always
No,
we will go with Chrome or Firefox, right? So few application it should not work in Chrome, right? At the situation we will use Firefox.
okay, so there are only
Yeah,
two options: Firefox or Chrome in
yeah,
the
definitely. Everyone
environment
is
where they will
even
provide.
even in LoadRunner also we will use both Chrome or Firefox. Always Chrome is flexible than Firefox, right?
So
But for
no edge.
JMeter, no edge, not at all. The
Okay.
edge and IE was not that much flexible. So the Firefox and Chrome was best. But for JMeter, I can say Firefox was the best thing, and for LoadRunner, Chrome was the best thing. As my experience,
Okay.
it was speed. It was little
Okay,
speed. Yeah.
as per your experience.
Yes.
Okay. So the third question is,
Huh.
so in your real-time scenarios, did you
Hmm.
used include and exclude options many times, or
Yes,
like
definitely,
how?
definitely. If you will not use include and exclude, we will get thousands of URL for home. We do not have that much time. What is this correct or not? We will get confused literally.
So before doing anything, excluding and including, you will talk with the developer or what?
No need to talk with anyone. Defaultly here itself it will displace. Sorry? Defaultly it will show, it will defaultly it will have some
No, no. As
unnecessary
per the
things.
dependency, the
Yeah,
application
these
may
things
have some third-party
definitely,
applications. May
these things definitely no one will include in LoadRunner and JMeter. 100% no one will include while recording itself.
sorry, I didn't get you. Can you say come again?
These
What you're
WOFs,
saying?
PNGs, JPEGs, all these things, you are able to see in my screen, right? These
Yes, yes.
all the things, no one will include it while recording.
No, no, no. I'm not telling that mandatory it would be included or not. Just as per your
Huh,
experience,
huh,
I'm asking you,
mm.
like you like use this exclude and include option or
Yes,
not, or if
we will
yes,
use,
then
we will
you
use,
have said one line also before in
we
another
will
session as
use.
well
No,
that
we will
we
use.
have application dependency also for like the third party web application as
Yeah,
well. So I
definitely.
thought
If we need to include this exclude patterns and include patterns, if in case if we'll get any third party URL, it will definitely records. Why? Because
so how you get to know the third party URL or include a developer will share with you or
Exactly. Same
anyone?
question for
developer
me.
developer will tell you.
Okay,
Okay,
that is
while
what I was
giving,
asking you.
definitely because we don't know,
So
right?
before recording only, you will have everything information with you handy,
Correct,
no?
correct. We need to interact with developer. Even if we get any single doubt in between while recording itself, we can set up a call with developer again and we will confirm. I think this is a third party URL. Is this correct or not? Please confirm. We will check that.
Okay.
They
Okay.
will explain. Yeah, definitely he will. The developer will always interacting. That is the advantage of agile model. They will
Yes,
always
exactly.
help us.
You said
Yeah.
you have sprint meeting and also
Yes,
before having
yes. Correct. We are having
plan
we are
started.
we are having weekly I mean scrum meetings. Scrum meeting means their developers, functional testers, automation testers, manual, everyone will involve. If we have faced any issues, any doubts, we can open up with them. They will help us. That is the
Okay,
advantage of
okay.
agile, I can say. Yeah.
Because as per you were telling that Blaze demo pipeline were not like useful. You are telling, so you should
Yeah,
exclude it. You
because
are telling, no. So
simply
still the server name was there, no, over there. How we can
the
identify after
server
that? Like,
name the server name was there, but
Mhm.
inside that we got lot of data, right? In that lot
That is
of
what. How you are
unnecessary
filtering the data? Like
stuff we got it,
responsibility you are
right?
seeing, how you are seeing? No, no, how you are seeing the data? Like I
Uh,
want to know
I will
from
tell you. I will tell you from tomorrow
with
class.
your eyes.
Yeah.
Because I am
don't
seeing everything is
don't be
stuck over there, but how
advanced.
you can identify that?
No, don't be advanced. I will tell you because just now I am explaining you. This is way
Not more
this.
than you, not
Ha.
more than you. I'm going advanced.
Yeah, this is the different ways of recording. This is the different ways in different browsers and different including excluding. Like this, we need to record. So from tomorrow class, that those are called customizations of the scripting. I will tell you how to identify this is our request, this is not our request, all the things.
Yes, yes. Because
Okay.
as per our basic knowledge, you are saying we have to see the server name. So server name
Correct.
was there, but still you're telling you should exclude it. So
Yes.
I was having
Yes.
got it out over there.
Yeah, I will tell you all those things. From tomorrow class is the
Okay.
main class, right? Don't miss everyone. And I will also explain. I'm every time I'm saying this, keeping on saying this is request, this is request. What is the request? I will explain that as well. No need to worry. What is the request and
Okay.
what the request contains? What is the purpose of request? All the things I will come up from tomorrow.